Okay, so how do you exactly tell if the chicken is cooked? Thanks for joining me again. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so if you are new, please do like and subscribe, and of course press the bell button so you will know what I'm cooking whenever there is new recipe or something simple that I'll cook. I'll post it up on the video, and of course you'll be the first one to be notified. Okay, so today what we're going to do is something really simple. It is pan fried chicken thigh with black pepper, all right, with soya sauce, and of course with butter. All right, so this is the black pepper. Again, this is the Sarawak black pepper, right? Highly recommended. If you come by to Sarawak, remember to buy this black pepper. Okay. So for this pan fried chicken, we're going to use the chicken thigh. All right, over here. Okay. We'll be using butter. Okay. And of course, the first thing to go in will be butter. Yep, the pan is hot and nice. Let's put some butter in. Okay. All right. Okay, so where did I got the inspiration to cook this pan fried chicken is basically, when I was studying in the university. Yeah, sometimes we, look at those guys at the teppanyaki. What they do is they pan fry chicken and whatnot. Yeah, so just follow what they do. And of course, a little bit of idea. We'll be using the butter. Okay, we'll put pepper. Yep. Okay. Okay, we got pepper. Okay. Lower flame. Okay. Soya sauce. Okay. So basically, as you can see, this recipe is very simple. Okay. Just 3 simple ingredients: butter, black pepper, and soya sauce. And of course, chicken thigh, chicken fillet, all is perfectly fine. So this is a very, very simple dish to cook up. Okay, if you are a very busy person, don't have much time, so yeah, this is definitely something that is simple and quick. All right, so we just let it cook slowly on low flame. Okay, just let it cook. Alright, I still remember those days where I accidentally discovered this recipe. It's during my uni days. We buy chicken fillet from the grocery store, come back, got not much of an idea what to cook, right? So yeah, we just use whatever we have. Normally what we have is butter, black pepper, soya sauce. Yeah, so put everything in together, and surprisingly it tastes really real good. Alright, just let it cook a while. Okay. So, how's your week? Has it been going? Was it good? Was it busy? Mine was pretty busy, right? But no matter how busy, there's always time that we need, to think of what to cook next, right? If you want to help me out, yeah, please drop a comment. Let me know what I should be cooking next. Yeah, so sometimes, yeah, we might be short of ideas what to cook. Yeah, so do share your thoughts with me. Yeah, so as you can see, the chicken over the pan is being fried slowly. Okay, it's on low heat. Yep, because this is quite a thick piece. So we just take our time, let it cook through. Yeah, slow and steady. Nothing to rush. Yeah, just leave it. Right, it smells real good. Yep, smells with butter because that's the base that we are using today. Butter, it smells peppery. Alright, and there's of course a little bit of soy sauce in it. But yeah, it smells good. Alright, with chicken, of course, it's always very important to ensure that it is cooked through, cooked thoroughly. Yep, so it's properly cooked before you consume. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to take a little bit of time. Okay, put it on low fire, let it slowly cook. Okay, nothing to rush. Okay, so how do you exactly tell if the chicken is cooked? Well, if you know, or if you notice, chicken looks normally transparentish, reddish, but if it's cooked, it's always white color. Alright, like this, it's almost there, we're almost there, it's almost ready. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. I'm hungry. Can't wait to dig in. It smells real good. Okay, so I guess chicken is ready. Okay. Easy, right? Yep, so 3 different ingredients: butter, pepper, soy sauce, and just let it fry on the pan. That's it. Easy. Okay, fire off. Alright. So yeah, so it's ready and I'm ready to have my dinner now. Okay. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Do drop me a comment as well. And yeah, this is pan-fried chicken. Yummy, yummy. Alright then, till then, see you guys again. Bye bye.